I got home yesterday after a long weekend trip to Denver and I took a look at my tomatoes. Yikes. This is not what anybody wants to see after not being home for a couple of days. Take a look. What is going on here? This is horrifying. Look at those leaves. What are these spots? Why does it look half dead? I think after extensive Googling and panicking, I think that this is some kind of leaf rot, and it has affected almost all of my 50 tomato plants in 2 different patches across my backyard. So here's what my first step. I went in and started pruning off the leaves that were affected by this rot. That one had to go completely because there was nothing left. This side over here on the other side of the pathway was a little bit better. These plants didn't have it as bad, so I hope I caught it in time before it spreads even worse between the different plants. One of the first things I'm going to change is I'm going to be really careful with the water. Some of these I was doing overhead water, and I'm going to put in a soaker hose this week so they're just watered right at the roots and the leaves aren't getting a lot of water. I didn't want to take the time to put in the soaker hose right now to water these because they really needed it after we had been out of town. I had just planted these. We were leaving on Thursday last week and I wanted to get them in the ground. I think that I planted them on Tuesday and this is now Monday morning the next week. So, man, it's tough to go out of town when you've just planted new plants and then you come back and you see an issue you identified a couple days ago has turned into a whole thing. So here I am. I decided my next step would become copper fungicide because there's so much on so many of these tomatoes. So I'm just going to go ahead and start spraying them down. It's important to try to get them sprayed on both the top and the bottom of the leaves, which is spraying from the bottom is a little bit hard. I have over 50 tomato plants and I went through maybe half this bottle of fungicide. I think I might have to start looking for it in bulk so I can put it in an actual sprayer because my hand was about to fall off by the time I squeezed this throttle a million times to try to treat all of these. I realized a little too late that maybe I should have worn some type of PPE. I didn't put on any gloves or closed-toed shoes or anything like that. And then I came along, I saw that I had missed right here. I saw that I had missed a little bit more of that leaf rot, funky looking leaves. So I'm pulling more of it off. And so I came in and washed my hands really good after I did this, but hopefully copper fungicide is not too toxic to people. I will do a better job next time of protecting myself. I was just so focused on dealing with these tomatoes and I didn't even think about myself. Whoops. Here's an update on how the tomatoes are looking in the other patch that I have on the other side of my yard. I call this one the gate garden, and these are more of the tomatoes that are like Romas, San Marzanos, paste tomatoes for making sauce, and I didn't notice any issues with these last week, but they are looking pretty rough as well. So here's how I trimmed them up, and this is a couple hours after I sprayed them with the fungicide. So I'm going to be keeping a very close eye on these going forward. Here is my little glacier tomato. This one usually produces the first tomatoes of the summer for me. And as you can see, it is nowhere near ready to produce. I did cut off some little buds that were starting to come on because I thought it needs to spend its energy to recover itself and fight off this disease more than to create new tomatoes right now. So I don't know if my whole tomato harvest is going to be delayed, but hopefully it lives. So to recap, I have 2 plots of tomatoes. This leaf rot or whatever it is affected both of them. And they were planted out in these separate areas over a week ago. So I think that it happened when they were still in their little pots. Probably they got overwatered because we had a lot of rain and I overhead watered them the whole time they were in the pots. So I'm thinking they all had it together and it's just infectious and it's spreading. So here's the main things I'm gonna do. Number one, I already went through, as you saw pictures, and pruned a bunch of the affected leaves. I'm gonna keep watching them and pruning more. Number two, I sprayed with copper fungicide. I'll probably apply that again in like a week or so. Probably Monday will be my fungicide day until this is handled. Number three, no more overhead watering. I'm going to install my soaker hoses and completely use that to just water right at the roots instead of letting the water fall on the plants. Subscribe to follow along and see what happens next. I really hope I can get these under control. I ended up having to take out 4 of them that had really no leaves left that weren't affected by this. So I'm going to keep an eye out when I head out to Costco later today and maybe pick up a couple to like fill in my empty spots. I might not end up with 50 tomatoes this year. I don't know. We'll see how many can survive this. Fingers crossed.